Are you have to observe these pictures, and then afterwards we'll discuss on this picture. Within 1 minute, you have to observe. You observe.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now you have to raise the hands. I will ask
Yes,
question.
sir.
You have to give the answer. Okay. So in first picture, what's going on? Uh,
The girl is writing something in notebook.
who's telling directly like these answers? I told something. We have to follow norms. Okay. Second. In second picture, what's going on? Pushkar Bagadi.
Sir, a boy is playing with a ball.
Okay. Then Chaitali.
Yes, sir. Third picture.
Now second only.
Second. I think the boy might be bouncing the ball.
Okay. Third picture, Samruddhi Katore.
The girl is watching TV.
Very good. Then fourth picture, Saki Sonone.
Sir, the man is working.
Okay. I think Sartar. Sukari, Sartar.
Yes, sir. That worker has taken the bag of the grain on his shoulder.
Yeah, okay. That man lifted one sack or bag, something there. He has carried. Okay. So, can you tell me in these all pictures, which pictures the work has been done? Mm, Som Joshi, can you tell? Samruddhi Gumre. Out of these four pictures, where work had done? Samruddhi.
Sir, in last picture and first picture. Yes, sir.
Okay. I ask question to you. You're not giving answer. Hmm? Okay. Parthrathi.
Sir, given.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
So tell me, out of these four pictures, where you can notice that work has been done?
In first picture and second picture.
First and
Sec. First and fourth.
first and fourth. Okay, now you will
Yes.
observe here every picture. Yes, some work had done. Even though this girl is writing something, yes, she doing some work. Here this boy is playing with ball. Here also some work is going on. This girl is changing the channel. Like as you see, how always looking this Mickey Mouse. Hmm? I don't know that your cartoon serial's name. Okay. And this person is carrying the one sack. In every picture, there's some work had done. Work means what here now? That only we have to learn here. What is meant by work? Yes, Chaitali.
Yes, sir. I guess that work means something is done, means some movement or any other thing is done by
Hmm?
using many types of forces.
Very good. Next, Sarthak, what do you want to tell?
Yes, sir. The work is the mental or a physical activity we do.
Yeah, work with your mental or physical activities. Okay, good. Rathi, Parth, what do you want to tell?
Yes, sir. The work is the same which we do by applying any type of force.
Okay, good. So now when we are going to speak about this, in which the picture, all pictures, there some work is going on. And here, Work is not only physically, sometimes work is there mentally also present. Okay, and when we are speaking about it, what is my actual work? Where something displacement happens, something they're changing of that object. Okay, it displays from its own place. That's called work. So we have to learn the definition. Work is said to be done when a force applied on an object causes a displacement of the object. Now you say, sir, here this girl is writing where she has applied a force. See, she is writing by pen, correct? On pen, suppose she will not apply the force, she is able to write it.
No.
No.
Not possible. Here this boy is playing with ball until he will not applied, until he will not give their punch on that ball, it would be displaced.
No.
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 Here this girl want to change channel, she will not take this remote and she will not change, she will not apply force on that button. It can change.
No.
It's not possible.
No.
This person, he has just taken it on his shoulders and it remain as it is. It's possible. He has to carry somewhere. Suppose it was here and he will look towards only that sack. So there is work done.
Work.
Yes or no?
Yes.
See here,
Yes.
something displacement happening in every picture. So this is our work definition in physics. Work is said to be done when a force applied on an object causes displacement of the object. Very simple. When force applied on an object, it displaces from its original place. Displacement, you know, na? Displaced.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Its location, its place change. Okay, very simple. This work is a force applied on an object and it displaces. It's called the work. This is the definition for you. And while we are writing in our scientific language, that work is said to be done when a force applied on an object causes a displacement of the object. Now, from this only we are getting the formula for work, that is force into displacement. Work is equal to, means force is applied on it and that object is displaced. And here now I have written this formula: W for work, F for force, and S for displacement. In last lesson only we have seen this. Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
will tell
sir.
me what is the unit of work. We have seen. What is the unit of work? You tell me. We have discussed already about it. See there. Yeah, somebody is, I think, given the answer in chat box. Very good. Utkarsha. Nice. Work is measured in the joule. What's the unit for it? Joule. Work unit is joule. Remember. What joule work is measured in joule? Will tell me. Now here, work is equal to force into displacement. Force is measured in the Newton and displacement in
Meter.
only meter or meter per second.
Meter per second.
Meter per second, correct? No? Displacement, what we are saying, telling the definition of displacement.
Minimum distance traveled from initial to the final.
Yeah, it's there in meter. So it should be there Newton meter. Okay, so Newton meter. So this is the unit of joule. So here we'll get downside, how it's measured. Then use your brain power. Do you have no? Yes or no?
Yes.
I think the others don't have. They are not replying anything. Correct, no, students? Huh?
Having, sir.
Having, then you are not speaking anything means, huh? You should speak something. Yes, sir. No, sir. Yeah, very good. Sartak Sukade also there. So now, yeah, we can calculate the work with the help of force and displacement. Now here, this observe and discuss. We have to observe these pictures. In this first picture, if you see this girl is there, some object is there, suppose we can consider it as the duster. So how much force is applied? She can displace it easily, correct? This suppose duster is there or a small thing is there, but when there is a big desk is there, it's possible her to, by that same force, she can displace it. It's possible? No. Now this girl is there. She's carrying one small toy. Okay. So she has to apply some energy on it, some force on it, due to reason she can carry. And in this vehicle is there, suppose it's there, some mistake is there, some problem is there, so due to reason it's not working. So this another vehicle is carrying. So what happened? It's displaced from its original place. Due to this girl is applying force on this toy, it will be displaced, and this girl is applying some force on the desk or this their duster, she can displace it. Displacement happen when force is applied on an object, it can displace, and that is called the work. This is our definition we learn through these three examples. Understood? Yes or no? Now, I told what is the formula for work done. So work formula is there, F into S. F for the force and S for the displacement.
Displacement.
So some students are joining very late. So when we speak about the force and its component displacements, suppose let F be the applied on this and F1 be the component in the direction of displacement. We suppose this is F force and it's in the direction of this, so due to that reason component of F1. Then what will get a displacement? F1 in the direction, and displacement is there. Yes, so we'll get the work formula is there. Work is equal to F1 into S. Got it, everyone? Here mention see their first one. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes,
It's
sir.
easy. If you are not Indian, also ask, even though it's easy, but concept should be clear first only. Then afterwards, it's easy to understand the next. Now, force is applied in the direction of string. Here we are going to speak about this here also string. So what will happen with the horizontal? Horizontal means like this. In angle is made here between this toy and this. In angle is there. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, some angle is there. Suppose they are 20 degree, 30 degree or whatever. If it's straight, then it will be there 180 degree or zero angle, correct? But when we'll take like this, it's there some angle is there, 45 degree, 20 degree, whatever, there's different things. Okay, so when angle is there made by that object, it's perpendicular to suppose carrying thing. So it depends on the direction. So then we'll get the component F1 of this force is equal to this there here, see. We'll get one triangle. What will get here? One triangle. So it's there theta, some angle is there. And then we have to write F1 is equal to F cos theta. Here F for your force. Cos theta means their angle. So I think you know that cos theta sin theta. Yes or no?
No, sir, not yet taught.
Not it. Okay. So this about the cos theta, sin theta you will get in your geometry. So how we are taking this? F is equal to F1 is equal to F cos theta. Angle is their cos theta. So about the cos theta is their formula, students, is equal to base upon hypotenuse. About triangle only we are speaking. Base upon hypotenuse. Now here, see this is the angle. What is the base? This base one is there, and angle is this. Now got it? So what is the base? Suppose F1. Base is F1. And what will you get here? Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is your F. Understood, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It's very easy. We will take our regular right angle triangle. We know that according to the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, you know, na?
Yes, sir.
When we know
Yes.
two side of any triangle, then we can find the third side. Okay, suppose its hypotenuse is given and one side we can find the third side. If there are two sides are given, then we can find the hypotenuse. Here same thing, there cos theta is equal to, cos theta means here you can take this third side of your, okay, and then we will take the base upon hypotenuse. So cos theta is equal to f1 upon f. So when we take consideration of f1 is equal to f cos theta, and then work done will be there f cos theta and into s for displacement, s for displacement. So this formula is very simple. W is equal to f cos theta s. So f s cos theta. So this is our formula for the work done, while their work done is given in the form of any like this triangular shape or field. Okay, understood? Yes or no? Yes, Darshil Gaware, any
Yes,
question
sir.
is there?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. So now here, we have to measure this. Enter your conclusions about the work done for the specific values of the theta in the following table. When theta is 0, this theta is 0 degree. Then cos theta. Now this value, how will we get? So we have to learn that table. Cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Okay. Now base is suppose 1, hypotenuse is the 1. So what will you get it? 1 upon 1, cos theta's value 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. I will share with you this table already. I think in geometry textbook it's present in your 9th standard. Last one lesson is there. Main selection lesson it will be there, I think. In that lesson, if it's not there, then also I will share with you. Hmm? So here, cos theta, W is equal to Fs cos theta. So cos theta is equal to 1. So then what is the W's value? Yep, cos theta's value is given multiplied by 1. So what will we get? And multiply by S as it is. So we'll get here Fs. So from this, what will get the conclusion? Will tell me.
Fs positive work.
Positive. Yes, very good. Fs is having their positive work. And another, the angle between object and the,
Zero work.
yeah,
Zero work.
zero work. How it's there zero work? W is equal to F into S. Something displacement will happen there. Yes or no? Suppose
Yes,
F's
sir.
value 2, S value 5. 2 5s are 10. So here's something. So now second we are going to see about the second conclusion. That is, what is that? Theta is equal to 90 degree. And cos theta means cos 90. Cos 90's value is 0. Mute yourself. Somebody there want to sleep. Please mute yourself. Satyam Zorlukar. Now,
Yes, sir.
you have to keep your mic mute. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Cos theta is equal to 0 because cos 90's value is 0. So F cos theta. So F as it is. Yes value we know, but cos theta is 0. Then what will be there? 0 multiplied by Fs. What will get answer? 0. So what will be the conclusion here is the, what is the work done?
Zero.
Yeah.
Zero work.
Yeah, when cos theta is equal to 90 degree, that time their work done will be the 0. Now we'll see the third one. What is the third one? 180 degree. Okay. So when we'll take the cos theta is equal to 180 degree, that time we'll get the its value minus 1. So work done will obviously we'll get minus Fs. So here work done will be there negative. So here positive, here 0, and here
Negative.
Understood all of you? Yes or no?
Yes.
So now here
Yes,
we
sir.
have to see next thing, that is the unit of work. Just already we discussed about it. So force into displacement. Work is equal to force into displacement. SI unit of force is Newton, and displacement is in meter. Okay, it's here in meter. So what we are getting here unit Newton meter, and 1 Newton meter is equal to 1 joule. Remember this. Understood, all of you? Yes or no? How
Yes,
these
sir.
units are coming, that also we have to remember by formula, or see that by formula, if you are not remembering that unit, by unit you can remember the formula. Suppose work unit is joule, correct, and 1 joule is equal to Newton meter. So Newton is measured in the Newton for the force and meter for a displacement. See here, you have got here F is equal to, sorry, W is equal to Fs. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
समजतंय का सर्वांना काय चाललंय ते? जर तुम्हाला युनिट माहित असेल, नुसतं युनिटवरून तुम्ही फॉर्म्युला काढू शकता. ओके, जर फॉर्म्युला माहित नसेल तर, पण युनिट माहित पाहिजे. आता जूल म्हणजे काय? 1 न्यूटन मीटर. न्यूटन फोर्स. Okay, Newton means force and meter for displacement. So we'll get the work done is equal to F into S. Now understood? Yes or no? Give some replies.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt here about this?
No,
Just
sir. No doubt.
43 students are there. Out of 43, nobody is having their, nobody want to give the answer yes, no, sir. Something, only one girl is speaking. Huh? Pratne Gegadmal, Samruddhi, Gumre. Did you understood it? Award. Saki. Pratik. Have you understood or not? Speak fast. Give your reply. Saki Sonone, Sumit Gaware, tell me. Amruta Gondkar, Sayedri Iyer,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Apeksha Bandari, Utkarsha, Som Joshi. Are you getting it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
we have seen this unit of work in the SI unit is their joule. We have to see in the CGS form. Now CGS. So in CGS form, we have to measure the work unit there. So force we are measuring in dyne, not in Newton. Okay, force is measured in the CGS form, it's their dyne, and displacement is measured in the centimeter. So we'll get here work is equal to dyne centimeter. So dyne centimeter is equal to, we can say 10 raised to 7 R will be there. How it see? So force into displacement, 1 Newton is equal to 10 raised to 5 dyne, and 1 meter is equal to 10 raised to 2. We know it very well. Okay, then 1 Newton joule is equal to 1 Newton into the 1 meter. Then we can put the values. 1 Newton is equal to 10 raised to 5, and 1 meter is equal to 10 raised to 2. Then we know this A raised to m into A raised to n. This formula you have learned for the indices in 7th standard, and then we can write this A raised to m plus n.
And
When base is the common, here base is the 7, so 5 plus 2. What will get here? 10 raised to 7. See there, mathematics, physics, chemistry, all subjects are related to each other. Understood everyone? Yes or no?
Yes.
yes, sir. Yes.
Now positive, negative and zero work. Now we have seen numbers, positive, negative, zero also. But how we can say their positive work or negative work? And those students are present, don't leave the meeting, okay? Some students are leaving it. It's not good sign. Only 40 participants are there. It's not good sign for us. It means some students are taking just granted. If you will not attend, nothing going to happen. But It's not like this. It's your loss, not our. Okay. And I told those students take present. They have to take it. Don't forget it. Now, positive, negative, and zero. Discuss and direction. Pushing a stalled vehicle. Here, zero work or positive work or negative work will be there. Stalled vehicle. Stalled means they are stationary. We are pushing it. So, which work done will be there? Positive, negative, or zero? It will be displaced from its place. Yes or no?
Positive.
Yes.
Positive.
So here some work is happen. So it's here we'll see
Yes, sir.
upwards. Catching the ball which your friend has thrown towards you. Have you done some more or
Yes,
not?
sir. What?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Trying a stone to one end of the string and swinging it round by the other end of the string. Suppose this is there and it will be continuously rotating. So what will happen here? Any work done is there, it is displaced from that place? No. This is constant on that same place. It's not changing the place. Okay, next. Walking up and down a staircase, climbing a tree. You're walking up and down a staircase. Any displacement is there? See there, when we are speaking about the work, we have to consider two things. That is the one force and second one displacement. Stopping a moving car by applying brakes. It's positive, negative, or zero work. That only we have to discuss now. When force and displacement are in the same direction, then the work is done by that object is the positive, remember. Okay, pushing a stalled vehicle. Suppose this vehicle is standing here, okay, and you're pushing it like this. So it's here same direction, force and displacement. So this is the positive work. When the force and displacement in opposite direction, suppose you are applying force like this, and this object goes like this, 180. So then the work done is their negative. It's their negative. Force is negative. Then, when the applied force does not cause any displacement, like this rotation, fan is there rotating. So this rotation is going on continuously. There is a no displacement. Then this force is called the zero force. Understood, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt related to these topics?
No, sir. No doubt.
It's very easy for understanding. Okay. Now try this. This you
Sir,
can do it.
sir,
Yes.
sir, can you just revise that page number 19 about
19 about
cos theta?
cost. Okay. No, no. I'll take it. So when we have to see when an object is in the displacement, that time it shows some angle. Sometimes it's horizontal, sometimes it's like this. Okay. So suppose this angle is made and it's their base. Okay, it's horizontal. Then we can draw here one image there, like we are getting one triangle. Okay, and due to this angle, when angle is there measured, that time we have to count this work in the form of theta. Theta is means there's some angle. It's there 90 degree, 0 degree, 180 degree, 45 degree, whatever. So it's by the geometry I'm going to share with you. Don't worry about it. So what is there? Cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Suppose now I know this value and I know this value. I don't know this value. Then according to Pythagoras theorem, we can say that this cos theta is equal to, okay, based upon hypotenuse. Understood now? And then we have taken this, suppose here f for the your hypotenuse and f1 for your base. Then put the values in this base upon hypotenuse, f1 upon f. So what will get? So this f is here for division. It will go for your multiplication. So f1 is equal to f cos theta. Now understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir, and after that, there it is
Yes, sir.
written, does the work done by F1 is.
Yes, yes. Again,
After that, I'm not getting.
which F1 from this or here?
Yeah, that's that does the work done by F1 is. After that, I'm not getting.
From here, from statement you are speaking, from these lines.
No, sir. Downside. Yes, yes. There.
Here, the work
Yes,
done by
yes.
F1. See here, F1 is their force. F1 is force. And
Force.
F is also force. But this work done by F1 means which? This object is like this. See, is horizontal. It displays from its means this displays from like this. So due to it is said like this F1. Understood? Work done by F1 means by first force. Okay. So due to that reason we are getting the F cos theta. Yes. Now got it, Chaitali?
Yes, sir.
Really understood it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So students, today we'll stop here until this.
What is exactly?
Yes, 1 minute. I'm not getting your voice. Please, you can repeat it.